guys, Kiniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm here at the Park Lane International Hotel. They're declaring, kung ganun declare, na project nila na Go Green. So it's a project wherein they're encouraging everybody to reduce trash here in Cebu and hopefully yung iba sasali. So all over the world of Philippines. So ngayon, kakain muna kami and I'm so excited to hear more about it.
This is one of the latest parang advocacy and commitment, not only me but for the whole team of Park Lane. Considering with all the what's going on, diba? We just want to do in our little way to maybe help resuscitate ba, or really help ease up the rapidly deteriorating environment. I'm proud to announce that we will be changing to dispensers. We're not going to use those small parang mga diba, amenities anymore, because that's really a contributor to the trash. Though we try to do something about it every December to recycle it, but hello, we cannot do the recycle it every December lang siya. So apparently we got already the board's approval to finally convert it into dispensers for the hotel. It's gonna be a bold move, but definitely we have to do it because that's the only way to lessen our contribution to the garbage that we already parang grabe na kay siya.
Food! Ang Hugot King o ang Batik Exhibition. Grabe ang Hugot King. Ikaw ni sir, ikaw ni. Kalinga. Grabe. Guys, last day na lang ni Miss Sheila sa Park Lane. Ngano lagi, oy, ngano? Secret lagi. Oy, mangita siya kiki, guys. Oh my God.
We are well aware that in our modern everyday life, we are all about overconsumption, causing environmental pollution with the earth slowly being trashed and overused. Yes, this is a sad fact, but this is our reality too. And we have to realize that Mother Earth has her own needs too, and after giving us too much, it is time to give back. As a hotel that truly stands for Cebu, Park Lane is once again embarking on an informative yet emotive campaign that we hope will inspire action and endless support. As you all know, Park Lane aims not just to be a hotel, but to be a distinctly local Cebuano hotel with a big heart. With this, allow me a few minutes to give you an overview of what our campaign is all about. Hashtag Park Lane Cares is our banner campaign that spearheads environmental initiatives and corporate social responsibility projects. Our goal is to be truly distinctly local with a heart. Park Lane Cares banner campaign has two sections, which is the hashtag Park Lane Eco Watch, and of course our corporate social responsibility. So under Park Lane Eco Watch, this involves our environmental activities and initiatives like cleanup drives, river cleanup, and like through merchandise. So if you look at this here, we have some merchandising items which are also eco-friendly. And under the corporate social responsibility section, there's also, it involves social responsibility and community programs. So as you all have noticed, for the past years, we have partnerships with the Cancer Warrior Foundation. Our Hunat Cebu proceeds goes to our medical mission, so this happens every year. So there, these are our Park Lane Kasaligan employees who are wearing the Park Lane Cares shirt. So at the front, we have the Park Lane Cares, hashtag Park Lane Cares, and at the back, we have the Park Lane Eco Watch, which is our banner campaign also for our environmental programs. So, hashtag Park Lane Eco Watch is also the head campaign of all our environmental sustainability projects. The campaign aims to emulate the hotel's vision to be distinctly local with a heart for the environment. So what is hashtag Park Lane Eco Watch? The logo. I'd like to explain to you, because you might be wondering, some might comment that the logo looks like Cebu Pacific. Yeah, but honestly it does, but the logo is inspired by the eye of an eagle or that of a hawk. When you talk about the person's eagle eye, you mean that they are watching someone or something carefully or are very good at noticing things. A character that is found in an eagle or a hawk. As a famous TV personality said, tayo ay dapat maging mapanuri, mapagmatyag, mapangahas, matanglawi. The colors used represent the color of the earth, which is also represented by a tree and river found at the center. So our recent environmental initiatives, we already started this, but we waited for the right time to officially launch it. And we're very happy that most of you are here. We have a monthly cleanup drive, which is spearheaded by our F&B manager, Sir Ian Dale. The monthly cleanup drive started last month, Sir Ian. It started last month. It's participated in by the F&B department and all the other employees also of the hotel. Whoever is free on a Saturday or a Sunday, they do a cleanup drive around the hotel. So of course, we start kanang sa Luul sa ato, So the cleanup drive is in Camagong and Escario. We also did our Luyang River cleanup. This is in partnership with Sandro. They had this last March 22. So the picture that I showed you there was they went to They went to Carmen for the river cleanup. And then of course we have our Parklane eco-friendly merchandise. Soon you will be seeing changes within the hotel. We will have eco bags. We will have at the gym, those who are members of the gym, you might be wondering why we won't be offering plastic cups anymore. Because again, we would want to reduce the use of plastic. So we will be offering these bottles with the Parklane Eco Watch logo, or you will also have the option to bring your own water bottle when you do your gym time. We need to really create awareness and information, but not just that. We also need others, as Ms. Sen mentioned, as our GM mentioned, not just the hotel, but we would be happy also to share this advocacy with other hotels who would also be equally active, in doing their share for the environment.
Asa ka, apas ko, mahalag maaan ko, kuyog baboy. Asa pa, mandi ay ko, kung ikaw daang kahupay sa utok kong ikapoy. Nagkadugay, nagkaduol, ignaog ni mo magsugod na kung kabuol. Na ako'y kaamot sa ato ang plitihan. Wa ko gi-curfew-kan sa ako ang inahan. Di gyud malipat, bisag hagbay lang gali ka, ay kabalaka. Hanggang sumagaya, ihalot ka. Ang kanugay magkalayo, diig sa payanong matagpunag sa'yo. Na ako'y ikaamot sa ako ang plitihan. Wa ko gi-curfew-kan sa ako ang inahan. Di gyud malipat, isang hagbay lang gabi ka, ay kabalaka. Hanggang sa kaya, ihatod ka. Paingon sa plaza housing, paingon sa mga outing, paingon sa mga appointment sa inyong sideline. Ihatod ka, paingon sa simbahan ko, paingon sa simbahan ko nugaling. Ikaw na'y kaslunod, mahimong ihatod pagay di ka, paingon sa imong pamanmanon. Ako'y ikaw sa tuwang plitihan. Wa ko gi-curfew sa ako ang inahan. Di gyud ay kabalaka hangtod sa makaya ay kabalaka bisag di kaya ihatod ikaw ihatod ikaw ihatod ikaw.
Guys, nakadaog ko og overnight stay sa Park Lane International. Thank you, Park Lane. Guys, Park Lane Eco-Watch. Park Lane Eco-Watch na mug. Guys, thank you kayo.